Today we'll be providing a short instruction on how to start up the new Caterpillar RM400 rotary mixer and put the rotary mixer to work. By now you've performed your daily service, maintenance, and safety checks around the machine, and you've activated the main power switch that is near the left side ladder at ground level. To start the RM400, first make sure that the safety emergency stop switch is in the elevated position. The RM400 is equipped with push button start. So the first thing to do is to twist the ring around the start button. The RM400 is capable of operator security. So at this point you may have to enter a PIN or have the wireless key fob with you. So as I said, the first thing we do is turn the ring around the start switch. The system will initialize, and then you simply push the button to start. Once the engine is started, the system defaults to the hydraulic interlock and the parking brake being set. So in order to maneuver the machine, in the main control panel, you need to release the hydraulic lock and release the parking brake.